how to find active status settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find active status settings on your Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now click here active status. And as you see here, you can manage active status on Messenger Lite just by click on it. If you want to turn it off, and click turn off again. And if you want to turn it off in inbox, just click this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.